it wasn't the best 30 because I had a stumble at about the third step and I just never recovered from it.
Is in the morning, yeah. Listen my song. I put my voice up on the night. I bring the drum, my Babylon. I said they must have to go down. Yeah, man, it's Anunnaki representing for Lionfoot TV. Big up Lionfoot TV. Down in Africa, Anunnaki representing Black Child, you know. Hey. Cause Black Lives Matter for all the brains them splattered. With your professional shatters. Boom blast, Lionfoot. Big up yourself.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
As Steve said, and you could see it visibly, couldn't you? They may be teammates, but they're clearly not besties. Let's hear from Shelly-ann Frazer Price, Jeanette.
Blessed love and greetings. Blessed Sabbath. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, lion and lioness. I don't know what all is blessed. Yeah, man, I don't know. Give thanks to life, you know. Today about the 31st. Yeah. And we have vlog on the go, anything goes. You see me, I say? Yeah, but I'm going to the intro. You know, I'll put with another vlog. I will do it when I boss now. Break. Yeah, man, give thanks to life, give thanks to the creator, you know. You know, big up all who rise up today and remember to make sure someone give thanks to life. Because without life, you can't get up to go out there. We'll continue the journey and try and make ends meet. You see it? Now, my viewers and subscribers, more. Take the time out for big up Shelly-ann Frazer, Elaine Thompson, and the next girl, Sharika. I think that's her name, yeah. See him? But before I talk, I say big up all of the mothers them, and big up the daughters and the sons them, you know, and the stepdaughters and the stepsons them, you know. You know, so yo, no, criticize or demise mama no way. If you have the last, she have it. See him? I have some people that honor them mother and them father, you know. That's what I say. Yeah, man, but I don't know. Big up all of the mothers then. Right now, I'm up on my way. So I send mama dinner money, you know. So I didn't get to do it yesterday, Friday. So today, Saturday, I have to make sure she gets it, yeah. I use my £20. Mommy, me know you have it hard down a yard. But me a face the same struggle of a bird. When me can't find the dinner money fi send for you, it stress me out so bad. You trust and believe in the Lord, me know same so grand in my reward. Promise you any day me make it, hey, you are gonna live large. And me say, Maji. Me I beg you hold it. No say your cup and your plate empty, but I promise you that me so full it. Yeah, man. I don't know. Big up all of the mothers, as me say. You know, Lionfoot today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell, please. And thanks. Me I beg you know. Yeah, man, you don't know. Big up all of the lovers, them. Big up all of the haters, them. I remember Anna, your mother. Your mother prescription bill for pay. Try and make it pay. Don't go spend it on anything. Champagne. You see me I say? Yeah. You see me I say? Yeah, your mother having a disagreement and we sort it out. Because nothing like mama, you know, it's not nice to lose a mother or to lose a father. Big up my virgin Bumpy, you know. Just lost his dad, you know. Just want to say condolences. It's not nice to lose a mother or a father. So me I say, and when your father vex or your mother vex, you know, you know, so when your mother pass away, you know, you're going to hurt, you're going to cry. You see me, so? I don't know some people cuss all them mother and them. Them think they're bad blessing. See? So you don't know my viewers and subscribers. And then we have vlog on the go. See me? So yeah. I don't know. Don't forget to go and check out my single Produce.
Me a mix the white tongue with butter roots. Me a play a bad beer for me now real no booze. Up in your belly me a send cocky juice.
And check out the artist named Tina B.
I pressure boss fight and I not lose my cool.
me hungry enough nights. Still hungry about strike, but me I want it all.
Lady Danger.
A bit hard lip on a tray, she get box and kick it off face, make the nails eyelash wig up, replace them start tremble when bad gal in a the plane, make blood clot gal run like she in a maze.
Yeah, man. So now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. I want to say big up Shelly-ann Frazer once more. Elaine Thompson, Zane, and Sharika. 1, 2, 3. The final, 100-meter final. Now you know the thing going on right now, the Olympics. Zane? Yeah, Elaine set the record. 10.61. New Olympic record. See? Now, this is my part. You might see the thing there, you know. The title says Shelly-ann Frazer is a sore loser. The reason why I said that is because I don't like the celebration and the segregation. Yeah, man. Imagine the girl won. See? Elaine. I mean, you have to understand her celebration. She's over the moon. Can't believe she set the record. She can't believe she beat Shelly-ann Frazer. I know Shelly-ann Frazer. She has won the Olympics twice. See? Mother can't. Yeah, but yeah. Soon call her back, mommy. Zine. Shelly-ann Frazer has won it twice. 2008 and I think 12. But no, she got silver, so I can congratulate her because she's going on the podium to collect her prize. See? So me never know so them have beef and them things. And the girl not agree. At the TV me attack the presenter there. See? Yes, so watch here we go.
In 2012. Now you've got Elaine Thompson Hera won 2016 and 2021. And she'll want to one-up Shelly-ann Frazer Price, her countrywoman.
Yeah, because as Steve said, and you could see it visibly, couldn't you? They may be teammates, but they're clearly not besties. Let's hear from Shelly-ann Frazer Price. Jeanette is with her.
Shelly, a career that many would envy. For you to be able to come out here today, I know you wanted that gold medal. Yeah, I know you did. But just talk us through what's going through your mind right now, having crossed the line in second place.
Yeah, it wasn't the best 30 because I had a stumble at about the third step and I just never recovered from it. But you know, nevertheless, I'm grateful to be able to come out here and you know just represent what the gift that God has given me. And I'm just excited mainly because as a mother and you know my 4th Olympic Games, to be able to stand again on the podium is just a tremendous honor, and I'm hoping that you know wherever in the world, mothers, athletes, females, we understand that you know there's so much more we can achieve, and I'm hoping that they draw some inspiration from this.
I'll tell you what, Shelly, it's testament to you that you come and you give me technical analysis, but there's an emotional element, isn't it? Like you said, it's your 4th Olympic Games. To go to get another Olympic medal, started in 2008. That's something.
It's crazy, but you know, my emotions are still very raw right now, and I'm very sure I'm gonna go home and probably have some tears. But as I said, you know, I've been through this many times, so you know, I'm just really excited about you know what I was able to do tonight.
And the future, Shelly, what does that look like for you?
I don't know yet. We'll see.
Thank you for stopping.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, when you hear what I go on? Yeah, man, that I go on, what I go on, man, you see me? So she, clearly you can see she upset, and everybody will have upset, because not winning the gold medal, you know? Even me would have upset, but, come on, you've been interviewed by a journalist. At least say, congratulations to Elaine. Not like that she not say. I know Shelly-ann Frazer is a lady who's now a mother, who I highly respect and proud of, because 2012 minutes call her name. The 2012 Olympics, Shelly-ann win gold. She won with Jamaica in her soul. When she win 200-meter final, my skin full of goosebumps and get cool. See? Sir, you see him do the same. So I say, never let me down him, you see me? Yeah. So I regard and respect Shelly-ann Frazer. But where the truth is concerned, so I say, me don't like that. she and the next girl, Sharika, will come third. See? Never go hug up the girl, you know. All they did was went and tap her on the shoulder. No hug up, nothing. That was the moment for them seal up and replenish and rebuild back the vexation where them have. That was the moment. You say, yeah, what? Let bygones be bygones. So I even put on a show and hug up. Because so, when people will hug up them one another, when say a fellow teammate run for the same country. Not like that, me not say so. Me personally, I just speak from my opinion. Me personally, fireburn that. Me not like that. It don't look good. Because even the presentator, them say, yo, you know, if them have, they can see say them agree and them not talk. And so comes me in the way, you know, presenter them talk. So I say, yeah, but big up Shelly and Frazer anyway. Big up Elaine and the girl who come to Sharika. So she didn't say I don't know her first. So we have some viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so I just thought me did one cover still. Congratulations to Jamaica. Again, you don't know, when it comes to track and field, Jamaica have high talent. You know what I mean? Them always up there. See? So the youths them we are born crime and a fire gun and can run. Who don't look at them go run. You see what I say? Your life can change your career. You see what I say? Yeah. So big up Jamaica, proud of you once more. My viewers and subscribers, but I don't want to think in the comment section. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion. You see what I say? Yeah. So, my viewers and subscribers, big up on the job yourself. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks. Share this, make everybody hear this. Yeah man, you know a lion foot attack. Real on the battlefield. You see what I say? Yeah man, big up all of my haters, big up all of my lovers, big up all of my supporters. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and click the bell. I'm out.
Make your praise me. Me feel like you are a madman. When you drive your tongue all over me body.